Okay, hi everybody and welcome to Imagination Arts again. In this video I received this amazing Master Airbrush kit as a Christmas present from my husband, and so I'm finally going to do a box opening on it for you all, so just stick around with me and we'll get this opened and take a look at what all it has in there and see what all it comes with. Okay, so hi guys and everyone, welcome back again to Imagination Arts. I received this Master's Airbrush kit as a Christmas present from my husband this Christmas, and I've been putting it off and waiting till I was ready to do an unboxing on it, and so I finally decided to go ahead and do this unboxing, and so let's just go ahead and get into this and see what's in here. And first of all, at the top of the box they had the instruction manual for the pump and a guide on how to airbrush, and then a little pouch with 2 airbrush cleaning brushes. And then this is a airbrush holder that you can attach to the side of your desk, and it will hold your airbrushes for you. And just set that aside over here, and then we also have a card for a scanning code on the back of it so that you can scan it and it will connect you to their support if you need support on anything, and then a color guide and another guide on how to use airbrush, and then a color chart to help you with your colors. And then also in the top here we have one of the airbrushes. This is the G25 model airbrush. This is what basically a standard airbrush user uses, and this comes with the .22, I believe it is, needle, as well as the accessories to attach it. It also comes with a spare needle. And then it came with a set of 6 airbrush paints. Let me go ahead and get this open here, if I can figure out how to get this out and figure out where it opens up. There we go, it opens from the top. Okay, and now we're going to take a look inside and see what it comes with. You see we have yellow and green and blue. There's red in there. I believe there's also white and black. Basically it's all the primary colors. So we have a set of 6 colors, airbrush colors, and then here we have airbrush cleaner and solvent. So that's to help the airbrush paint flow more freely and more fluidly through your airbrush. And there you see, and then it also comes with an additional color guide on how to airbrush. And I'm just going to close this back up, and then we'll set this over to the side. Set that towards the back. And then here's the other airbrush. This comes with 3 airbrushes. This one has this is the E91 airbrush, and it comes with the 2 canisters for putting whatever you want. You can use these for putting water in and use it to help mist water on your paintings or whatever to keep them wet while you're painting. You can also use them with the paint. You can put paint in those as well. And that also comes with, I believe it's an M23, I believe it is, needle that one comes with. I can't recall for sure. And then now I'm having to set it down in the floor to pull it out. Now I'm going to set that right there. And then here in the front of this holder, it is the third airbrush that comes with it. And this is another, this is the, I believe this is the G23 model. And this has the bigger cup and a slightly bigger needle. It also comes with a cap to go over the cup to put your paint in, the nut to hold on to the needle, and it also comes with a spare needle. There is already a needle in there, as I found out when I accidentally touched the tip when I was trying to put it in here, when I was trying to take it out. Right there, you see I poked my finger trying to pull it back out again to show you that there is a needle in there already. So we're just going to close that now, set that aside, and then here is the air hose to attach to the airbrush and to the air compressor. Now I'm just going to remove the styrofoam from the front of the air compressor. And you can see it's a very pretty metallic blue color. It was, I was very impressed by it. It looks very sturdy. It looks very powerful. Just going to remove the plastic off of it where we can get a better look at it. And there, I'm just going to set it down, and then I will give you a close-up view of it, and just pull the plastic off of the power cord. As you can see there, I'm raising it. It has a handle for you to pick it up and carry it around with. It has a little glass bowl there to help with the pressure. Here is the power supply for the pump and an air pressure gauge. And then on the end, down near the power cord, is the switch. Now I'm just going to take the camera off of the stand and kind of get a close-up of some of the attachments. Again, here is all of the pamphlets that came with it, the color, the airbrush mount to hold your airbrushes, the color guide, the air hose, the tool cleaning kit, the G22 airbrush, the G25 model airbrush, and the E91. And as you can see, the E91 has its own separate hose because it has to have a special hose to connect. And then, of course, the set of 6 colors and the cleaner and the solvent. Again, now I'm just going to give you a quick close-up of the whole entire pump. As you can see, the power supply button on the back. You see the back, it's got that nice, pretty, shiny, metallic blue paint. Very nice looking, very impressed with it. I am very impressed with everything that this came with and the overall look of it, and I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and hope to see you in the next video.